replacing the light fixtures outside the rooms right now. They've been doing some renovation work to the hotel. So let's get started. This is our room. And this is the kind of hotel that you have to put your room key in the slot to make the lights work. And so we got a room that has a double bed and then a single bed because we like the extra space. The regular room just has a double bed, but I like to pay, it's usually only about 10 euros extra to get the room with the extra bed, and you get a lot more space, so I really recommend doing that. So right at the entrance, we've got some coat hooks. And the bathroom's right here. We'll check that out in a minute. And we've got a single bed and the double bed. And across here we have a TV, kind of on the small side, that's okay. We have reading lights next to the bed. And we have some standard European outlets. And then over here we've got some shelves, and they give you a little carafe of water and some glasses and a little treat. I'll open that up later and see what's in there. So we've got some storage on these shelves, and there's the towel and glass for the third person in the room if you have one. 2 extra pillows, some hangers, a little closet area. We have a table and chair. Here's the window, it has a shade on it. The view from this room is just a roof. Don't stay at this hotel for the view. It's a city hotel, so it doesn't really have a view. But the window does open. If you open the window though, the air conditioning will turn off. The hotel has heat and air conditioning. Let's see, we've got all this space over here. Just backed into my suitcase. We've got all these space over here that you can open your suitcases. It's very nice. And then on the other side of the bed, we have a light switch that operates the sconce up here, and a reading light, and a standard European outlet. And that light controls all the room lights. So now let's check out the bathroom. So the light switch for the bathroom is on the outside, and that's the way it is at most Ibises. We have a thermostat because this hotel has heat and air conditioning. And here's the bathroom. It's a lot like a cruise ship bathroom. I think it's nice. So here's your flush and your toilet brush. There's a fly in the room. Here's your shower with the handheld shower head, and you got your soap and shampoo. This is a very nice shower with doors. And bath mat, we've got some hooks. Got a sink, some nice vanity space. Got your towels under here with hand towels and bath towels. Some more hand soap. One of those weird hair dryers. And under this we have standard European socket. Got a nice light up magnifying mirror in the middle. So this is really nice. Now I love Ibis beds. We've stayed at a lot of Ibises, and I think that they have the best beds in France. I think that French beds are very hard. German beds are softer in our experience, but French beds are really uncomfortable. But I think Ibis beds are wonderful. I don't know what they're doing, but I actually want one at home. So I think this is the nicest Ibis that we've stayed at. They keep it looking new. The first time we stayed here was in 2014, and then we stayed here every year for the next few years, and then we started staying at rental houses. But occasionally, if you just need to stay a night or two, this is a really nice option. It's close to the medieval city. You can walk. The hotel has its own parking lot, and the parking is free. That's always great in a city, to have some parking and not have to pay for it. They serve breakfast in the mornings. The breakfast is decent. We tend to not get breakfast when we stay at Ibis's. We just go to the grocery store and just buy some things to eat in the room, or just head out to a bakery and get some breakfast. This hotel is very reasonable. We're staying here in May and we paid 109 euros for a weeknight to stay in this room. They don't have a restaurant, but they do have a way that you can order some like grab and go foods and drinks at the bar, but they don't have a full restaurant. But there's so many restaurants in the area that that's really not a problem. Overall, we've been happy staying here. Like I said, it's our favorite Ibis, and we generally really like Ibis's, but this one is just on a little bit higher level. So I think you should consider it if you're visiting Sarlat for a couple of days. Well, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And subscribe for more history and travel videos. And I'll see you next time.